It's been 4 years since we started, more or less, today, and we've concluded now a financing of $7 billion or just above $7 billion, which I think has obviously been challenging. But I think where we very, very early on, what we realized was the need for project finance, so the need to really debt finance what we were building. The traditional sort of startup financing obviously does not include debt financing in its sort of the suite of products that's available to you for natural reasons. You don't have a balance sheet, you don't have annual reports to show, you have no revenues, you have no cash generation, and so on. So setting out 4 years ago, we really intended and we designed and we built a company specifically to be able to be financed. And I think that is what was key to us. And what it sits and it's based on many, many different pillars. But the first one and the critical one was the ability to secure offtakes. And I think when you look at the really unique parts of this financing, one of them is the fact that you have, for the first time, long-term contracts with customers that are committing to what we call hard take or pay. So it essentially means a volume commitment and a buy commitment for products with no outs. You have no ability to leave these contracts as long as we supply the products that you have intended to buy, with one very specific element. You are paying a green premium. So there's a lot of talk today about green premiums, and there has been, but we have then sort of legally binding commitments. And the unique part is that the product is exactly the same. It's a brown steel coil, green steel coil, it's the same quality, it's the same physical properties, etc. But the green steel coil, people are willing to pay a premium for, and they're willing to sign, in our case, 7-year contracts for that. And that is really, really unique, and that is what sort of we built upon to then create the full financing package.